Hello, good morning, good afternoon. This is Boy. So I want to show you on how you can download keyboard translator. This keyboard on your phone. Once you download it, you can type any language, be it French, Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, what any language you want to type in this world is available on this keyboard, even if it's Android or iPhone you are using. I want to show you the app now, and I'll show you on how to turn it on. Please help me and share this video so that it can get to everybody that don't know about it. So let's dive into it now. Let's go now. All right, let's go to App Store. As you can see, we're about to go to App Store. This App Store, if it's Android you are using, go to Google Play Store. Then what you do here, you come to search, you type Gboard. You understand? This Gboard, you type Gboard, Google keyboard. This is it. You can see I have it already. You click on it, immediately you download. You understand? You can see languages, all language. You can use any pattern of keyboard you want. You understand? You can put it any pattern of keyboard. Once you download it, let me show you on how you can activate it on your keyboard. So let's go to settings. When you get to settings, you type Gboard. You type, you can see the apps here. When you come to apps, you type Gboard. You can see it here. What are we going to do? You come down here, you see contact, Siri, you see search, background app research, secular data. Then you click on keyboards. You can see I have it already. What you see, when you come, it will be like this. Then you tap here. So allow full access. As you can see now, I have activated it on my keyboard. Let's go and type. Let's go to message and type. Let me type on WhatsApp. As you can see here, I have activated the key. So if you want to use it, you can see you can type anything. Who am I? Who am I? You see? Then if you want to use the translator, you tap here on this. You see? Once you tap it, then you tap here on the center here, G. Once you type it, you select any language you want. You can see different language. You can see. Let me type this language. Let me take French. English to French. Let me type who am I? Then you tap on the translate. You can see, look at it here. Then you send. Very simple. This is how you do it. If you want French to English, maybe someone send you French to English, then you tap here. Once you tap, it will be switching. You understand? You see, it's switching. Let me copy this one and add here. Let's go back as normal. Then English. See French. Let me paste it. Who am I? That's it. This is how you can do it. Very simple as ABC. So please make sure you share